Waka wax ni may dégg la maa ngi tëddangum te rek ñu ka santay bi yow xaaral bañ eew onto our talent, our artists, our legends, our country, and our people. These are just bunch of crooks. We are more than them. It's just like 10 out of 100. The 90 is more than these 10 people undermining the Gambian culture, the Gambian hustle, the Gambian artists, the Gambian youth's dream, selling it out there for their souls. Waka, yo, you just give a shit about your pocket. Ben a bonus 100,000 or 75, 50. Yo, in 3 days, 1 week, jen. Because you know why? Amut barke. Yange nan sangara yange ningeta say yo si kloppy. Yange understand thing I want you claiming what you're not. You get me? So I'm Gambia and Birkama. Please, for God's sake, let's come out in our numbers. I'm on the 1st. You get me? Let all roads stop. And a big artist, ST, is bigger than you. You understand? You people are just populated than us. That's it. You get me? Try to be content, on what you get from us, thinking we are stupid and sleeping due to bad Gambians among us, whom give you courage, strength, and guts of doing us evil and bad. So that's why we don't got much to tell you, but we have something to tell you, which is that day you come into Gambia for an event, know that we know you are self-centered and you are there for your self-interest, and and that so even can't work. And advice to every producer, promoter, so-called promoter who thinks you can bring Wally onto this day and be succeed. My advice is change your days, reschedule your day. You get me? No, suma time mam len. Suma ñom baye ñew. Ñu sen doom yi ñew. Yena nga understand? Ñu sen ñu tamit sen doom yi ñew. Ñoo nekk ñun. Ñun suñ doom yi fokk ñu am yaakar. Ñun suñ dëkk bi boy dafa compromise si loxo seen maas yi ak si loxo Gambian yu bon yi. Yaa ngi understand loolu tax ngeen mën a àndaa ñoom bon. Yow Youssou Ndour ban donation nga musa def Gambia nga ne dama yaaga appelé Gambia dañ ma yaaga tarangal. Depuis time Jawara Faraman Singate, depuis time independence Gambia boy yaa fee ñëw di fi make money ba ñun ñu juddu ba ñun ñu ngi nii ak suñ ay njaboot ak soxna xam nañ everything boro pour nga ne this is for Gambia la amee lii yéen Senegalese artist lay wax from Youssou Ndour down mais leen ñu tuuti yeneen ñu ëppale a population des leen seen kër yi ak seen dëkka comme que yéen doo leen indi benn artiste Sénégal mu ñoo play foofu si history Gambia yëpp Gambia rek a day indi artiste loolu tax duma leen mën a wax dara loolu ñaaka fayda Gambian boobu la ak Gambian yooyu la ak jamono boobu la bii jamono Gambian promoter bu ko try si fii dangay indi foreign artist nga mix Gambian artist yi foofu it's not even pleased by force. Yaa ngi understand fi wame yéena tax foreign artist bi respect good Gambian yéena tax foreign artist bi respect good Gambian industry and arts because sell out ngeen jaay ngeen ko seen pocket pour naane ko sangara te dee ko caga. You get me? But our this generation waxuma man ñu ma mag de waaye man ñoo xam ne maa leen mag ak man suma morom yi som ñu mel ni man because du ñëpp ñu ne domade we will make sure we break it down into pieces to everybody lan nga nekk di def ban njëriñ lam la see am nga say am so to defee either black or white dinañ xamle. You understand what I'm saying? So it's like that. So Youssou Ndour bàyyil ñu suñ dëkk bi ndik yow yaa gën a soxor anybody yéen loo leen defal Gambia ñooñu yow sa jamono suma time yi maam lañ suma ñoom bàyyi. What God has bestowed upon us, avoiding deliberacy, and deliberant. You know what I mean? Avoiding to step on people, but not letting people to step on you. This our generation is all the 75% is the youth, and 30% of those youths are all jobless. No, we say it's not even 30%. We said 50% of those youths are all jobless. It's just 20% working, and you divide that 50% again to 20%. So it's like 30% of the youths are not working, and the other remaining 20%, those are women and children, which are very vulnerable in our society. Yeah, it's just like a repetition to what I was saying or prophesizing to you people as Gambians, but your hate towards me make you blindfold on the facts and I mean warnings I've been giving you, but it's not like it's a coincidence or surprise for me to see those things be falling onto you. No, I've been giving you warnings about people, you get me? But your hate towards me has made you, digging your own graves and getting your own demises. Let me come. When we say national interest.
Yo, what's good? Yo, you all had one pack, and what he's saying is very true, These people are just trying to eat off on us, and it's high time we know our value as Gambians, This should serve as a motivation for more Gambians to go and get ST ticket. Let us show them that our Gambian are our Gambians, and we value them. We value our own artists than any other artist. Peace out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe.